So, does your healing modality enhance DNA?
Yes, 100%. Basically, that is one of the most important thing, whether a person is doing healing for himself or for others, whether he is hale and hearty or whatever, DNA activation is one of the most important thing everybody in this world should do. Because over a period of time we have deteriorated our DNAs, or rather I would not say deteriorated as such, but that would not be the right term. But yet with the number of beliefs which are very unresonating to mankind, which are way out of the perception of the light, have destroyed the functions of the DNA. So by meditating regularly in a particular manner which will be shared, you will be definitely enhancing the DNA, the strength of the DNA and all the other functions in your life. Definitely. And not only the health aspect, yet when we are doing these meditations on a regular basis, maybe just for 5 minutes. I am not saying you need to do like 20 minutes and 30 minutes a day. No, that's not my game anyways. 5 minutes is sufficient to shift your understanding from X reality to a Y reality, which is very, very much closer to the understandings and to the perceptions of the light. So in short, your understanding will start harmonizing more with the nature, with the light, with the creator. That's how you improve your life from day to day, from moment to moment. And the best part is that when you are improving yourself in that manner, people staying with you also get affected. And without their doing anything, their DNA also gets enhanced. I'll tell you one more thing since you have come to this. The best part of this model is when your thinking is right, you don't need to go through experiencing certain aspects that you may have asked for before birth. Like for example, if you have asked for a fall, now what will happen is, you may fall, but you will not experience the pain. So you will experience the fall but not go through the pain. Another aspect, this modality, when you keep on meditating, when you keep on working with it for healing yourself, for healing situations, for healing others, what happens is that you may have come down to take an XYZ experience, which now is not sounding or looking so good to you. So you will not go through that experience, yet another person who has asked for that experience, you will be a witness to that. And you will understand how it feels when that person goes through that particular experience, which actually you would have gone through because you had asked for. It is so powerful that now your subconscious mind knows that of course I had asked for this, but if I ask for this, I will not like it. So you don't go through it. But you ask, you have written. So the mathematics has to come into the structure. So what happens? The creator is infinitely intellectual to bring another person who has asked for the same thing in front of you. You witness the game. You are in awareness and complete conscious understanding what is happening in front of you. And it is resonating with you. See, the main thing is everything should resonate. And when you see that, you can feel it, and you also know that even I had asked for this. Without going through it, something tells you that even I had asked for this. Only thing is you are sure, but if you tell somebody else, he will say, what is the proof that you had asked for it? So fine, leave aside that person, but internally it resonates with you that I had asked for this and I am seeing this happening in this person. I can feel it, I can understand what the issue is. I can learn what the learning is coming out from that particular situation and can move ahead absorbing the wisdom out of it. Because now I have experienced it, the experience is going to get converted into wisdom because I can feel it, and feeling is actually good enough as if you have gone through it. The only story is somebody else is going through it and you are taking the experience of seeing by being a witness to it. This is the strength of this thing, This I have not seen happening anywhere else so easily.